So while working on my log shed, I began to understand a little more about the different types of woods I was working with. Some of the maple and walnut had beautiful colors and patterns that I really wanted to try and see if I could use in some kind of live edge project. Unfortunately, the wood I planned to use was not nearly dry enough, especially after I left it in a bad spot over the winter. So I asked around and was able to find a local logger that set me up with some beautiful maple slabs he had properly dried. I settled on making myself a coffee table, desk, and bar for my new place that I'll be moving to at the end of the month. I did some quick research and landed on sandpaper, wood filler, stain, polyurethane, and some paint brushes for the shopping list. I went with polyurethane over epoxy simply based on price. It's less than half that of the two-step epoxy kits. I purchased some 2x4s, hardware, and accessories to turn the tables into furniture, which I'll get into at the end of the video. So I began by cleaning the wood off by scraping with a plastic putty spreader, and then used high pressure air to get the dust off. Next up was several days of sanding. I started with a low 80 grit, which can be used to remove imperfections and help shape the wood. And then from there I moved up to 220, which helped remove the edges left behind from the rough sandpaper and help prepare the wood for stain. The sanding process is long, but definitely the most important part of the project. Next up is stain. Honestly, I got a lot of anxiety while looking at all of the different options at the hardware store and just went with what looked like a quality maple option. It looked good though. I'm happy with the choice. After a couple of coats, it was on to the polyurethane. I began with an extremely thick coat, including the bark of the slabs. This way I can ensure a nice consistent even coating. I gave it a full day to dry and then sanded it down with 220 grit again to remove any of the unevenness and brush strokes. Then I went on to 2 more thinner coats and even filled in some spots in places where the wood was absorbing it a little more than in others. But then, just like a car, after the polyurethane was dried, I went on to a wet sand at 500, 1000, and even higher if you want to get an extremely glassy look. And then to complete the process, you need to buff it as well. In order to transform these into usable furniture, I decided to go with a modern/rustic look. To accomplish this, I shaped 2x4s and ordered some metal piping. Sanding and staining the 2x4s and securing the piping in place is just about all it took. The most difficult was probably putting together the little shelf for the bar. But I'm really happy with how everything came together, and I think these pieces will set the tone for my new place. Total spent on all 3, including price of the slabs, piping, and hardware, was roughly about $200. Thanks for tuning in. See you with the next project.